Here at the Bill Cole Automall, we're all about you, our customers. That's why we're proud to introduce Service My Way, a personalized service experience that not only saves you time, but gives you control over your vehicle's maintenance needs.
Schedule your vehicle for service from the comfort of your home or at work with our 24/7 online real-time scheduler. We'll even pick up and return your vehicle once your service is completed.
With Service My Way, our certified master technicians will send you videos and pictures of maintenance issues, and you can approve recommendations in seconds from your phone or tablet. Didn't buy your vehicle from the Bill Cole Automall? No problem. We service all makes and models regardless of where you made your purchase.
Service My Way not only gives you control of your vehicle's maintenance needs, it also keeps you informed by providing a detailed service history and future maintenance schedule for your vehicle.
This will keep you aware of recommendations and repairs needed down the road, allowing you the opportunity to plan ahead for those expenses.
At the Bill Cole Automall, our customers are our top priority, and Service My Way was created to provide you with the best customer service experience possible.
Servicing your vehicle at your convenience. What could be better? Service My Way. Experience it for yourself exclusively at the Bill Cole Automall. Find out more about our dealerships by visiting BillColeAutomall.com.